Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Point Broadband, so your mileage may vary. Point Broadband, found at pointbroadband.com, offers internet services. My experience with them has been, well, let's just say mixed. While their website boasts impressive speeds and reliable connectivity, the reality hasn't always matched the marketing. Signing up was fairly straightforward, the website is easy enough to navigate, and I was able to find a plan that seemingly suited my needs. However, the actual installation process was a bit of a headache. The technician was late, and the setup took longer than anticipated. Once the service was up and running, I initially experienced decent speeds, close to what was advertised. Streaming, gaming, and general browsing were all fairly smooth. However, this period of reliable service was unfortunately short-lived. I began experiencing intermittent outages and significant slowdowns, particularly during peak hours. Troubleshooting with their customer service was a frustrating experience, often involving long wait times and unhelpful advice. While the issue eventually got resolved, the frequency of these disruptions became a major concern. One area where Point Broadband did excel was their customer portal. Managing my account, viewing bills, and accessing support resources was all quite user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find the information I needed. However, a good customer portal can't entirely compensate for unreliable service. Ultimately, while Point Broadband offers some appealing features and a decent online experience, the inconsistency in their service delivery makes it difficult to recommend them wholeheartedly. If you're considering Point Broadband, I'd advise checking for reviews specific to your area, as the quality of service seems to vary significantly. Your experience might be completely different, but this has been my journey with Point Broadband so far. Be sure to let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.